New capabilities in assembly design for SOLIDWORKS 2023 bring much anticipated user enhancements to your fingertips. SOLIDWORKS 2023 includes productivity enhancements enabling you to work as proficiently as possible with complex or simple assemblies. Configurations include an array of added capabilities, such as instances to skip for most pattern types, default bill of materials ID management per configuration, and configurable magnetic mates for streamlining assembly layouts. Replacing components has never been easier. SOLIDWORKS 2023 introduces new instances to replace options and a new preview window. You will be delighted with an automated approach to repairing broken mates, which can be done with a single click. Most notably in SOLIDWORKS 2023, you will have the option to completely automate between resolved and lightweight modes, letting SOLIDWORKS decide the best options for increased performance. Watch the video to learn how SOLIDWORKS 2023 facilitates a superior approach to building elaborate 3D models.